Hi class, welcome to week 5 of Wk05 Global Climate Change. This week we're going to be learning about climate classification, and we're not using our primary textbook this week. I have posted reading material from our supplementary textbook by Rowley and Vega on climatology, so read the posted pages. Also, you'll notice that there is not as much video content on Moodle this week as there have been in past weeks, and that is because there's a lot of stuff in the chapter that I want you to read. There are many tables and figures, and I want you to take your time really looking at these tables, looking at these figures, and sharing your interpretation in the forum on Moodle. I posted some prompt ideas for the forum posts, but feel free to go beyond that and summarize what you are learning in your own words. And I will post lab 4 this Friday. It'll be due a week from Friday on March 2nd, and we'll be continuing with climate classification in that lab. Our third self-test will be posted by Sunday and will be due a week from Sunday on March 4th. And it'll be a very similar format to self-test number 2. So look out for that. And this week, we're really going to be focusing in on two different climatic classification systems. We're going to be looking at the Köppen-Geiger classification system and the Thornthwaite classification system. The Köppen-Geiger classification system really focuses on the precipitation, the mean annual precipitation, and temperature for each region. That's how that classification is done, and the details will be found in the tables in the reading. The Thornthwaite classification system focuses on material and energy budgets a little more. So you'll be looking at water balances and specifically looking at soil moisture and the potential for evapotranspiration. So evaporations, this is liquid water changing to a gas, water vapor, and with that you get a latent heat transfer. And transpiration is just evaporation via the stomata of plants. And potential evapotranspiration is the expected evapotranspiration that would occur for a given area if there were enough water sources available to make that happen. So those are all components of the Thornthwaite classification system. And in the videos this week, you'll notice a little bit of repetition from things you've seen before, which is what I was going for. We're going to be looking at circulation, atmospheric circulation, oceanic circulation within another context. I want you to be focusing on the patterns you see and try to match them up with what you've learned about climate classification. So there are some NASA videos posted. One is on oceanic circulation, the other is on the water cycle. So you can start to think about water is a material and it's transporting matter and energy throughout the Earth system. So start to think about how the water cycle fits in more to what you've learned. And the cool thing about the NASA videos is they're using real satellite data in the videos, which is really exciting to me. And we'll also be looking at a little bit on clouds and more on atmospheric circulation and a little history of how clouds got their names. So I look forward to reading your forum posts. I'll have the lab posted by the end of this week, and enjoy learning about climate classification.